Changing security settings on Stripe is essential for protecting your account and transactions. Follow these steps to update your security settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Select security settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Security or Security Settings. Click on it to view your current security options. Step 4. Update your security preferences. Review the available security features such as two-factor authentication, API key management, and fraud detection settings. Make any necessary changes to enhance your account security. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes by clicking the appropriate button, usually labeled Save or Update. This will apply your new security settings. By following these steps, you can effectively change your security settings on Stripe and help protect your financial information. Always remember to review your settings regularly for optimal security.